Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, what is the probability that an integer in the set 1, 2, 3 and so on 134 is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3? Okay. Now, as there are 134 integers in the set, since every second integer is divisible by 2. So there are 134 divided by 2 means 67 integers which are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Okay. Now, the integer to be divisible by both 2 and 3, a number must be divisible by 6, because LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now, since every sixth integer is divisible by 6, so there are, as 134 integers are there. Okay, so there are 134 divided by 6, but out of that 134, before 134 there is a 132 which is divisible by 6. Okay, so there will be 132 divided by 6 integers which are divisible by 6, that is 22 integers. Integers divisible by both 2 and 3 in that set. Okay. So, there are 67 minus 22, that is 45 integers in this set that are divisible by 2 and not by 3. Therefore, the desired probability is is 45 divided by 134.